Today we're going to go through how to use Bard to generate different types of assessments, quizzes, and other knowledge checks. We're going to go through 3 of them using Bard.
And we know that you are here because you are an expert. You have something to offer to many people around the world, and you are looking at Bard to figure out how can I create an online course or e-learning program that is successful. Well, we got something even better, which is a gift, and that gift is a masterclass that will teach you exactly that, how to develop an online course in 90 days or less and save $10,000 or more because we demystify the process for you. It is linked below. It is our gift to you. It is a free masterclass.
Let's go. All right, so today we're gonna cover quizzes. And assessments.
We're gonna ask you some stuff.
All right, so we're gonna use Bard to generate a generic quiz at first, okay? We are defining a generic quiz as just a quiz based on a topic, not a quiz based on a piece of content, not a quiz based on a video, not a quiz based on a text or whatever. It's just a quiz for a quiz's sake, all right? So the topic that we're gonna explore is a topic we know a lot about, learning management systems.
Specifically, 2 of some of our favorites, Learnworlds and Kajabi.
Exactly. So we are going to ask Bard to create a 25-question quiz on Kajabi versus Learnworlds.
Let's see what we get. And remember, Bard is Google's AI version. ChatGPT and Bard are not the same thing. Actually, fun fact, ChatGPT does not have access to all of Google's massive database and information. Bard does. So let's see what Google has to say.
What's crazy is Bard is probably going to pull the quiz questions based on content that we have ranking on Google.
Hopefully, let's see what happens. That would be pretty cool.
Here we go.
All right.
Now, one thing with Bard versus ChatGPT
I feel like it's a little slower.
It is. Or
it's thinking.
It's thinking.
Or
ChatGPT shows you what it's thinking about as it's thinking about it. Bard tells you after, okay?
Ooh.
Here we go. Which platform has a better quiz builder? Which platform offers more customization options for course creation? All right, then we get to true false.
Ooh, nice, it breaks it up a little bit. All right, I like that.
Offers a free plan.
Look at that, it already gives the answers.
I think this is wrong. Well, it offers a free trial.
True. No, it's true, because it's a free trial.
That's true. So it's not a free plan, you're right. Fill in the blank. We got matching. We got short answer. And we got the answers. Oh, so Learnworlds is better at quizzes. Which platform offers more customizable options? Probably Learnworlds, I would say. Then this one, which platform has more user-friendly interface? Kajabi, I'd say. Which platform offers better marketing and sales features? Kajabi. Which platform is better suited for large enterprises? Learnworlds. So it's B, B, A, A, B. Let's see if we're right.
B, B, A, A, B. Let's see.
B, B, A, A, A.
Oh, we were wrong.
Okay.
Oh no, what is
I
Bard's?
disagree.
Which one is suited for large
I
enterprises?
disagree with this, even though we are currently using Kajabi with a large enterprise, CoStar. But I still think that Learnworlds might have a couple additional options. I don't know, I mean, it's probably close.
I actually, you know what, I'll tell you this. I actually think that Bard is wrong because the one thing that Learnworlds has over Kajabi is that Learnworlds is SCORM and HTML5 compliant.
Exactly.
And large enterprises are typically utilizing authoring tools like Articulate 360, to name one of the many of them out there. You need SCORM compliance in order to use those authoring tools for the training programs you want to build, and large enterprises use those authoring tools. So I would actually say Learnworlds, maybe, you know, Kajabi because it has hundreds if not thousands of users, but Learnworlds offers thousands of users too. So yeah, I think Learnworlds should take the cake on that one too.
But let's assess how Bard gave us the information. I really like how it gave us the information.
Yeah, I did.
Now it is, and we've had this happen before, it's leaving out the answer for question 25.
Oh my goodness, come on, Bart,
right?
What's going on?
And it's because it's another long form answer. We've asked why it's done that
let's
before.
ask why again too.
Let's
Where's
ask why.
the answer to question 25? We don't want to leave 25 out.
The answer for question
25.
25. And it's going to take a little bit. It doesn't type it out as it's thinking. It just gives us, here we go. Kajabi is a more all-in-one platform with powerful marketing and sales features, while Learnworlds is more focused on providing a great learning experience for students. I mean, this is great. This is probably the best one-sentence answer I've ever seen to this question.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, because I mean, how do you even approach that question? That's good. That's good. Good job,
All
Bard.
right, so
Here we
this
go.
was a generic quiz. We literally just gave Bard a topic and asked her 25 quiz questions. Now what we're gonna do, and this is what you should do when you are creating your first quiz or assessment. Please don't go and try and come up with the questions yourself. Start here, pick someone you like, change some that you don't like, add some more that it leaves out, but start here because this makes it so easy, okay?
It is a tool. It's a tool to help you process everything that's going on in your mind so you can allow it to be even more creative. So this tool can allow you, again, to take out some of those initial ideas, all that energy you would spend on just thinking out the initial ideas, and now instead you can focus on really getting creative and thinking even more out of the box because that initial step is done for you.
Exactly. So now we're gonna go to our Learnworlds versus Kajabi comparison YouTube video.
And remember, if you are looking to explore Kajabi or Learnworlds, they're two of our most favorite external platforms. They are linked below. We would appreciate your support if you decide to trial them and ultimately end up utilizing one.
All right, here we go. So here's the video. We've been excited for this video
Our entire lives.
So what we need to do is we need the transcript for this video. Okay, so if you're using a YouTube video, or let's say you're using a video for your course, you need to get it transcribed. And once it's transcribed, all we gotta do, if you're on YouTube, you can just show transcription. They moved it down here, and here it is. We wanna get rid of the time code, get rid of the timestamps, and then we're just gonna copy our entire transcription.
We're gonna do that Command C. Yeah. And then go to Bard and do that Command V.
Please create a 25 question quiz based on this YouTube video transcript. And we're gonna put transcript, saying a lot of things. We have a ton of videos. It didn't copy everything, or it didn't paste everything.
Looks like it didn't paste everything.
Full plan. Huh. Bard has cut us off.
Is there a character limit to Bard?
There might be a character limit to Bard.
Try to. Well, Bard may display inaccurate or offensive information. It does not represent.
No, there is a character limit. Okay, well, we are going to go with what it got. Yeah, I can't add any more characters.
So there's a character limit with Bard.
Evidently.
As of the recording of this video,
But
because
this
again,
is,
it may change.
Sorry, I cannot create a quiz based on a YouTube video transcript yet.
Whoa!
Okay, so this is our first time doing this with Bard. We're doing this live. We're learning with you. We've done this with ChatGPT dozens of times. But let's see, since Google owns YouTube,
Ooh.
let's see if we add the link and we say, same thing, please create
A 25 question quiz based on this YouTube video.
Let's see what happens. Please create. Let's see what happens. I'm sorry.
But wait, click down on that. What is that? That's
Query successful. Try again. Tab extensions. It's interesting. So I can't. Okay. Let's try this another way. Please create a 25 question quiz based on text, is what we're going to say. We're kind of lying to Bard now. Sorry, Google.
Let's see if Bard can catch our lie.
Copy this, put it back in Bard.
Yep, there's a character limit
Let's
again.
see what happens.
Let's see. I have a feeling it's going to figure it out. It's a transcript. Let's
I
see.
think it might.
Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. See when the
Oh!
But again, this is like this is also not good because The full transcript wasn't in there. And we also had to lie to Bard, and if AI decides to kill us in the future, it'll figure out that we lied to it.
Yeah, but here we go. We made it happen. So if you want to do this, get that transcript, put it in the Bard, don't say it's a transcript, and here's what we got. What is the main topic of this text? The benefits. Okay, I don't even know if they
Wait,
didn't
what?
even read
I guess the importance of education?
Education is a key success in the modern world. So the following is not one of the benefits.
Wait, what?
What the hell is this?
This is about Learnworlds and Kajabi.
I think it's lying. We lied to it, and now it's lying to us. Author believes that education is. Where did these questions come from, Bart? Where did
we
these
have found a
questions
glitch.
come from? All right. So this didn't work very well. So if you were looking to build quizzes based on video content, right now you probably need to go to ChatGPT. You do the same thing in ChatGPT. We have a video all about it.
And remember, team, ChatGPT has been around longer, and that's how AI works. The longer it's been around, the more it learns. The more it learns, the more accurate, the more informative, the better it can answer your questions it can be. And Bard is not as old as ChatGPT. However, it is going to catch up quickly, in our opinion, because Bard has all the Google behind it. ChatGPT does not have Google part of its index, if you will.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to take a blog post and do the same thing. And we're going to do this a little quicker because Bard hated us the first time. So let's see what happens.
All right. And again, there's character limits. So we couldn't put, were you able to put the whole blog in there?
I was.
All right,
actually.
great. So we made the character limit for this one. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so it's cool with blogs, multiple choice. Okay, and this is actually applicable.
Yeah, which one is following? Kajabi Learnworlds, SCORM HTML5 files, Learnworlds. As you can see, this is what the video is about. We have no idea what the heck the other one was about.
True, false, short
false.
answer. Here's all the answers.
Multiple choice. Yeah, this is it. This is
nice.
great.
So this is a really good quiz, and this is how you should use Bard. If you're going to use Bard, you got to put text in it. Don't say it's video. It freaks it out, evidently.
As you saw, there was a character limit too, so I feel like we were able to get better questions because the full text was in there, the full blog was in there.
Exactly. Now, for a bonus, I want to see.
I
want to see if Bard will do it based on the link, because Google has this page indexed. We actually rank pretty high for this blog.
Let's give it a shot.
So let's see.
What happens.
Please write a 25-question quiz based on this blog post.
All right, let's put in the link and let's see what happens.
Yeah, let's see.
All right, come on. Oh!
Okay. Based on the blog post, eLearning platform is better for pricing. Okay, this is sweet. So this saves us time.
Oh, and look at this. Here's some additional questions you can ask.
No, this is sweet. So this actually saves us time. We didn't have to do the copy paste. We didn't have to worry about a character limit. All we did
is the blog post.
That's pretty sweet.
That's sweet. That's awesome.
So these are really, if you're looking at Bard as a tool for online course creation, Bard excels if your brand has a presence on Google. If Google has information about you and what you know, Bard can be a very strong tool to use that information to help you build your online course, help you build quizzes, etc.
Now, if you're looking to build an online course or e-learning program in 90 days or less and save $10,000 in the process because the process is demystified, that's why we have a free gift for you. It is our masterclass that will teach you just that. It is linked below. Also, don't forget, if you're interested in Kajabi or Learnworlds, we would appreciate the support. Linked below as well.
30-day free trials. Thank you for the likes and subscribes.